Karen saying, Dan, do you feel that our bank or credit unions are safe with our money? I have no reason to believe that either a bank or credit union is not going to be safe with our money. And I won't get, let me just tell you, Karen, I was being interviewed a couple of years ago by, I forget who it was. I'm trying to remember. I think it was either Fox Business or CBN or somebody. I don't remember. I remember being a television interview though, and they said, "What's your biggest fear from a financial perspective?" And I thought for a second and said, waking up in the morning and finding out that there's no money in my checking account or my bank account. And what I meant by that was my concern for cyber attacks. Now, I constantly print my bank statements and my daily check register, and I save it as a PDF, and I put it in a file so that I have hard copies of where things were if that happens. Now, that doesn't mean you're going to lose your money. It just means they have no record of it. And it could take you, a month before they get it straightened out. But it is a huge, it's something that we have to think about. I believe that every cyber attack that we have, Karen, when we see cyber attacks on big entities, like we've seen with some government authorities, as we've seen with some electrical grid kinds of issues, I think they're all test runs. I don't think there's some kid who was practicing his hacking and got onto something by mistake. I don't believe that is the case. I think these are Russian, China, Iranian operatives that are, doing their job. And each time they do something like that, they learn. They learn our responses. They learn how it affects or impacts whatever it is they're doing. I think they're very intentional. The intent is not to make anything unusual or nasty necessarily happen, but it is a test. Hey, remember to click the subscribe button right here on the screen, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is added. And more importantly than anything, you don't want to miss all 3 live hours of Financial Issues every day from 9 to noon. And you can watch it on FISM.tv. That's FISM.tv.